The world seems to have lost its mind around COVID-19 and the coronavirus, and I thought we'd do a bit of a deep dive, as Mark Wolff likes to call them. He's come under a bit of pressure with 32GI's new protein launch, and as it coincides, they've got a really good, apparently an immunoboosting property that's in there. So myself, Mr. Active, I thought I'd take it upon myself to speak to Mark Wolff and put him under the microscope a bit and see what all the fuss is about. Mark, you're known in the community, you release a lot of videos, education's always important for you, but my first question really must be around this new immune boosting protein. I mean, that's been the focus of your drive this week. You've been getting a little bit of flack on some of your videos because of the connotation to immunity and immune boosting. Do you feel that this is justified?
I think people are thinking that as a brand, 32GI is taking advantage of the situation, and I think I need to stress that over the years I've always put a focus on immunity and recovery, especially as athletes go. I stress how critical it is to keep that immune system strong. In actual fact, the product was supposed to be launched last year, November, but we pushed back by our stockists because of the fact that they were waiting for financial year end, and we were told we could only launch it in March. Obviously, knowing what's going into this product and with the big panic around coronavirus at the moment, obviously it just coincides with this. It wasn't something that was planned, but at the same time, I do know how beneficial it is to keep your immune system up and strong currently. To me, that's the most critical thing. Ultimately, your underlying health is going to determine how you can fight off any infection, not particularly corona, but any flu, any virus, any bacterial infection. You do have to have a strong immune system. And if you're an athlete putting your body under stress and you're putting your immune system under stress, then absolutely you need to take even more care when it comes to strengthening and boosting your immune system. So this product is a protein with an immune booster, and the timing of the launch is just coincidental, but we're putting it out there because we know that it's a proven product that it actually does work.
So you say coincidental. I mean, you've shown some of the sort of how it's evolved in terms of a branding point of view. You've shown us an older brand. I mean, when did you guys actually start talking about protein?
It's been 36 months that we started developing this product. We've been through so many different takes. We were looking at how to differentiate our protein from others in the market. There's thousands of different brands of proteins. We wanted it to be unique, but we wanted it to be valuable in the terms of how much value the user is going to get from it. And by taking a protein and combining it with a globally known immune system booster, which has been scientifically and medically proven. I mean, there's tons of peer reviews, published peer reviews on the product and the ingredient that we've put in there, which has shown how it actually bolsters the immune system. We felt that this was a differentiating factor.
So what is the star ingredient? I mean, obviously we're talking about protein, and I'll get to that, but what's the star immunoboosting ingredient in here?
Well, we use a beta-glucan, which is actually called Wellmune. Why is Wellmune the beta-glucan? It is the beta-glucan because it's the only beta-glucan in the world that's got scientific evidence and backing. In actual fact, they're the only company that's got proper scientific and medical peer-reviewed studies, published studies. Even some of the published studies, and I can run through them, are how it sort of helps mitigate and aid upper respiratory tract infections. I mean, that's just one of them. They've shown how over time, how fatigue has been eliminated, how immune system strength has been increased. There's quite a number of peer-reviewed studies. I think we'll obviously put them out on our internet site so people can go and read up for themselves and see what Wellmune actually does. We will not put an ingredient in any of our products where we don't have the scientific backing of the company that supplies us, because for us, things have to be evidence-based. And it has taken a long time to get to market. It has been used in the past for uplifting downtrodden communities with immune systems that have been compromised. They've tested it in cancer patients, they've tested it in people that have really got compromised immune systems, and the evidence speaks for itself in actual fact.
Well, talking about evidence speaking for itself, if you want more, I mean, I've looked it up, I've read wellmune.com, wealth of information. So Mark, I mean, it's not necessarily something, as you said, that's that accessible, but immune system health is important. What other aspects can people look at? Maybe they're saying this is a bit of a too high price point, or it's hard to get hold of. What else can people be looking at? I know you pride yourself on education. What are the options?
Well, I think if you want to talk about immune system health, for me, first of all, sleep is so crucial. Compromising your sleep is compromising your immune system. And people say to me, how much sleep do I need? I tell them 7 to 8 hours a day. I aim for 8 if I can, but you generally do need to focus on sleep. What else? You need to focus on your nutrition. I mean, what you eat, what you put into your body is ultimately going to also determine the strength of your immune system. And over and above that, obviously staying hydrated, etc. And obviously, if you want to mitigate risks of infection, etc., I mean, then it's obviously not coming into contact with people, stuff like that. I mean, that we all know quite commonly, especially right now when there's been a lot of education around it. But there are supplements that we do know that have got scientific backed evidence that says that can help bolster the immune system. I mean, we know that vitamin C is flying off the shelves today. And vitamin C is one of those that it is an antioxidant. We know it also protects the heart. We know that it can be used for collagen synthesis. We know that it can reduce flu symptoms by maybe 24 hours, etc., or it can shorten the duration of a flu infection. I mean, there's a lot out there, but it's not the be-all and end-all. I mean, we know that vitamin D is one of the big immune system boosters, and without a doubt, vitamin D is quite crucial, especially because people are training early hours in the morning, not getting exposure to sunlight, a lot of times indoors, and if your vitamin D levels are low, I mean, that will compromise your immunity. There's things like zinc, for example. There's so many different supplements out there which we know have got evidence as far as immune system support goes. Wellmune is one of those that definitely has a huge backing for immune system support, for bolstering the immune system, and that's why we put it out there, because it's something that's different. And the way Wellmune works is not like any other product out there. Wellmune actually primes the neutrophils, which are your first line of defense. It primes them in such a way, and it primes billions of cells, that the minute a foreign invader enters your body, it will actually effectively and quickly go and attack and try and eradicate it as soon as possible, whether it's a bacterial or a viral infection. So priming those immune system cells is extremely crucial when it comes to battling any kind of infection. And that's exactly how Wellmune works. And I mean, that's a beta-glucan, that's what it does.
Talking about that as well, doing that research, I saw a very interesting video. I'll put the link up if you want to watch that link to see more about Wellmune. Mark, let's go back. I mean, you've talked about immunoboosters. Wellmune's documented there. People can read up more if they want to on it. The 32 GI protein that's coming to market, okay, obviously we know you're a vegan brand, you're plant-friendly or plant-based. What are the other aspects that set this protein aside besides the Wellmune you've put in there?
Well, we took two plant-based proteins, pea protein isolate and a rice protein isolate, and we blended them together in such a way that we created a very rich amino acid profile, a full amino acid profile, to make it a proper protein, but an enriched protein. And together, because obviously that focus is on trying to get your protein portions in the day. Some people say to me, I battle to reach my protein targets. I put out a nice infographic the other day explaining how those targets should be achieved and what those targets are, depending on an individual's unique needs. So definitely from a protein aspect, it will give you a nice full protein. And then that will obviously help also with muscle protein synthesis when it comes to athletes that are training hard, whether you're doing strength work, whether you're doing endurance work. MPS is very, very crucial. But we combine that with an immune booster to provide a unique angle to this actual product, which we know definitely works without a doubt. I mean, protein we know is needed for recovery. Your immune system is a very strong part of recovery, especially an athlete doing large amounts of intense exercise in large volumes. So we put a two-in-one product together. And you spoke about the price point earlier. The price point of our product, in actual fact, even with the expensive ingredients that we put into the product, is actually at a very, very good, affordable level.
So I know you guys are holding that back and you'll release the price when the time comes later in the week, but looking at this protein as well and looking at what 32 GI do, is it safe? Is it safe for kids? Is it safe for maybe pregnant women, older people? Yes, you're an endurance brand, but is this product universally safe?
Safe for children, safe for pregnant women, safe for women who are even breastfeeding, nursing, etc. Safe for the elderly. It is a perfectly safe product. It has no stimulants inside. It's completely clean. The only stimulant in one of our products is actually in the form of caffeine, which is a natural coffee, but the other two flavors definitely do not have any caffeine in it. We use only natural flavors. Everything about the product is completely natural. What I love about it is it's a clean product that provides a very, very specific purpose.
So Mark, it's time I think we need to wrap it up. I had a look at your calendar behind you. I mean, the whole South African, sporting space has been taken apart by this. Races have stopped left, right and centre. But the point is as well, yes, these races have stopped, people's events. I see your Race Pro gel is going to be put back now. You were hoping to launch at Two Oceans. People still need to be keeping active, don't they? Because being active also helps to boost your immunity.
Absolutely. Exercise is obviously another way of keeping your immune system strong. Over-exercising, overtraining does suppress the immune system. Under-training doesn't help, but I'd say definitely exercise will help boost it. I don't believe in stopping training. For us, it's a lifestyle. We carry on moving. It's about a healthy lifestyle. That's what our brand's about. It's about health before performance, and that's what we advocate always.
I just want to debunk one myth before I let you go. So this is some of the infamous 32 GI protein. I'm immune, huh? I'm not going to get COVID-19. Is that true?
No, not at all.
You sure?
Not at all.
Okay, so I can still get COVID, but I'm at least helping to boost my immune system.
Yeah.
And
look, I mean, the thing is, there's no quick fixes to strengthen your immune system. There's many avenues, like I mentioned earlier. This is another avenue which definitely does work.
okay, from the horse's mouth, put him under the spotlight, and he seems to done all right, but you can be your own verdict of that. Mark, maybe if people are interested, we should do a sort of webinar or Facebook Live at some people.
Might be a good idea, a question and answer. People can throw their questions at us. I can throw back the answers, no problem at all. We're always out there willing to help people try and live healthier lifestyles. For us, it's about living to 100 like a 20-year-old. That's really what it's about.
That's a good point. So there we go. If you're interested in that, we'll sort something out. Maybe I'll put the links up if you want to read more about Wellmune. But whatever your poison of choice is, immune system strength remains super important. If you read all the documentation, what all of the leading doctors are saying, they're saying immune system strength is key to fighting the coronavirus. So follow those guidelines, find what works for you, and whatever you do, stay out there, stay safe, and don't stop being active, because that always remains important.